Radhe Radhe. Today is Saturday, 17th June 2023. And here we are for this recap video for our Bhagavad Gita study series for chapter 7. All concluded now. We've finished with the second review quiz that covered chapter 7 verses 15 through 30. So along with me for this recap video is Mummy.
Radhe Radhe.
I'll bring up the screen and we should be able to see our cover slide. So covering quiz 2 and several content-based questions. I'll just talk about one or two questions that I particularly liked, and Mummy will also talk about a question that comes to mind. So in particular, I would say question 4 and 5 I thought were really helpful for participants to revisit. So we're asking in question 4, what is a common theme between a child's affection for dolls and a material person's faithful worship of the celestial gods? And the answer we had presented, of course, was that both are based on ignorance. Yet, what is also important is that they are encouraged by parents or by Sri Krishna, respectively, because each situation helps, in the first case, the child to evolve and have love for everyone. And in the second situation, Sri Krishna helps us as souls evolve also and to love and serve him. So that is question 4. And then contrast that with question 5. What is the common theme between one same set from before, so a material person's faithful worship of the celestial gods, and now a devotee's worship of Sri Krishna? And many participants, of course, ardently were able to get that answer, and that is indeed simple, one word, faith. Faith, steady faith, unflinching faith, etc. So that is indeed a common theme, because in both situations, in fact, the answer is a little bit here on the screen itself, but in both situations, it is worship with faith of whatever direction one takes. In the first situation, it's for the celestial gods. In the second one, of course, it is the evolved soul's version, faith and devotion for Sri Krishna. So these two questions, I think, are helpful and certainly important for us to keep in mind. Mummy, is there a question that you might want to talk to us about?
First, I want to add something to this question. I also liked it very much. Now, there is a very nice common theme that both set of people, they have faith. Now, one set has faith because they know if they do certain rituals and a certain kind of worship, they will get their material benefits from God. And another set of people, these are devotees, they have faith and they worship Sri Krishna to get love and bhakti, basically. Okay, so the only thing is their aims are little different, but the way, the path they follow, that is same. They both have full faith and they know what they are aiming for. They will get that from God. So for me, the best interesting question was the last bonus question. So here, this question number 16. Now, I think everybody take it as a homework. Use your 5 new dictionary words. So the previous question has the dictionary words, okay? Use 5 new dictionary words from the previous question in a single sentence. So there are 5 words. Here, their meanings are also given. Based on these meaning and based on what we have understood in this chapter, now try to make a sentence with the help of these words. And that will give you a very good understanding also. The real crux and essence of this chapter with the help of these 5 words. So keep on trying and come up with beautiful sentences. Let's meet next week, next Saturday, and let's go through your sentences. With that, I hope we all have enjoyed together learning chapter 7. Over to you, Gagan.
Yeah, thank you, Mummy. And I do appreciate that homework assignment for everyone. So yeah, we look forward to those responses next week. And indeed, as you said, we are concluding chapter 7, so we shall still meet at the same time, same place next week. That is Saturday, 24th June, 2023, 8 a.m. Central Time, 6:30 p.m. India time. And we'll see what lies ahead in this continuing journey for our Bhagavad Gita study series. Till then, again, happy studying and learning and progress. And we look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.